Welcome to our review of the Shark EX301 CarpetXpert HairPro. We'll cover its pros and cons, product specifications, and customer ratings by feature to help you decide if this Shark EX301 CarpetXpert HairPro right for you. Let's dive in. If you're searching for the best carpet cleaner that can tackle everything from stubborn pet stains to deeply embedded hair and lingering odors, the Shark EX301 CarpetXpert HairPro might just be your perfect match. This high-performance carpet cleaner is loaded with premium features designed to deliver a professional-grade clean right from the comfort of your home. With advanced technologies like CarpetXpert for deep cleaning, Stain Striker for stain elimination, and HairPro for exceptional pet hair pickup, this machine is built to outperform the competition at every turn. What makes the CarpetXpert HairPro truly shine is its unbeatable deep carpet cleaning power. Shark combines a high-speed brush roll, power spray high-pressure spray, and powerful suction to remove deep-down dirt and grime better than any standard consumer carpet cleaner on the market. And unlike other models, it leaves your carpets with ultra-fast dry times, allowing you to get back to your routine quickly. If you've ever struggled with stubborn stains, you're going to love Shark's Stain Striker technology. This dual chemical system activates on contact, mixing two potent cleaners to create 20 times more stain-striking power with Oxy action. Whether it's food spills, mud, or tough pet stains, this innovation penetrates deeply to eliminate them for good. No scrubbing required. One of the standout features for pet owners is the HairPro technology, engineered specifically to pull up and remove deeply embedded pet hair. Rather than clogging your cleaner or forming nasty clumps, the hair is directed straight into the hair cage inside the dirty water tank for truly zero-touch disposal. This means no mess, no hand-pulling, and no frustration, just 3x more pet hair pickup compared to any competitor. Another major advantage is the no clogs, no clumps, no hair wrap design. Shark has eliminated the most common pain points of carpet cleaning by creating a system that's smooth, efficient, and hassle-free. You won't have to stop mid-clean to untangle hair from the brush or clear blockages. This gives you the confidence of a reliable deep clean every time. For homes with pets, children, or frequent foot traffic, odor can be just as persistent as stains. Thankfully, this cleaner also offers instant and permanent odor elimination, tackling even the most intense smells like pet urine and smoke without leaving behind any chemical scent. Your carpets will smell as clean as they look. Versatility is another strong point of the Shark EX301. The built-in handheld spot and stain eliminator makes it easy to tackle messes on stairs, upholstery, car interiors, and more. Combined with a suite of 4 specialized accessories, including a pet mess extractor, hair extractor, and reversible bristle tools, this cleaner adapts to every cleaning challenge in your home. Maintenance is also effortless thanks to the onboard self-cleaning feature. At the push of a button, water and cleaning solutions cycle through the hose and tools, cleaning the system in seconds with no extra attachments necessary. It's a thoughtful touch that ensures your cleaner stays fresh and ready for the next use. To top it off, the Shark EX301 CarpetXpert HairPro comes with everything you need to get started: a 3.5-inch stain eliminator tool, mini stain eliminator, pet mess extractor, hair extractor, a storage tray, and 2 powerful cleaning solutions, 12 ounces. Shark Deep Clean Pet Formula and 16 ounces. Shark Stain Striker Oxy Multiplier Formula. If performance, versatility, and pet-focused technology are at the top of your list, the Shark EX301 CarpetXpert HairPro is a smart investment that redefines what a home carpet cleaner can do. Ready to change the way you clean? This might be the upgrade your floors have been waiting for. What we like: 1. Unmatched stain removal with Oxy power. 2. Pet hair cleanup with zero mess. 3. Fast drying and deep carpet clean. 4. Effortless self-cleaning with no hassle. What we don't like: 1. Slightly heavy to maneuver. 2. Noisy during full power operation.
Product specifications. Customer ratings by feature.